Hey guys, welcome back to Chevy First and another Wolfquest video. So we left off here hunting elk. We finished, so we gotta go back to our den that we picked, which is up in the Bison Peak Cutoff. So yeah, we gotta mark it. We're heading that way now, are we? Yeah, we are. Okay. So we're gonna head over here. The reason why I'm doing 2 episodes of this and my racing game is because, well, I missed a day. So wait, are we going the right way? Yes, we are. Just wanted to make sure. My mom's dog Emmy is in my lap right now, looking at me, watching me play the game. She's so cute. She's a true meanie. Her name is Emmy. So we're gonna run over here to mark our territory. Are we even close? No, we're not. Wait. Whoa, wrong way. I don't know. Yeah, we're not close enough yet. Still not yet. There we go. Now we're gonna start marking our territories to get ready for puppies. For puppies. Sorry for all the noise today. It's been crazy. Ready for puppies. Getting ready for puppies, Emmy. Sorry, my bitches. Oh my goodness, that just scared me. Because he was right behind me. I'm marking territory. Marking territory. But on how we'll see how much that will be. 4. Market territory. Sorry guys. Just peeing everywhere. Hopefully I fix the sound. Hopefully y'all can hear me. The Daytona 500 starts at 2:30-ish. Oh, coyote. Gotta kill him. Where'd he go? Right here. I'm excited for this season of NASCAR. And baseball season is also coming up. And I'm excited about that. Oh, wrong button. Wrong button. Sorry for that noise. Wow, it's taking us a while to mark this territory. So I'm running over here so I can get this area done. We're gonna run over here. There we go. Then I'm gonna run over here. All the way over here. Mark it. Gonna mark it. And there we go. Mission complete. I have 2 females and 2 males this time. Thank God. I will get the names, so see you when I get the names. Okay, so guys, we're back. So the first male is Inuit, then it's Alaska, she's a female, then it's Echo, a male, then it's Emmy, after my mom's dog's name. So let's continue. Let's train up pups, and it's going to be on pretty easy since it's their second letter. Whoa, what the heck? Okay, that was a glitch. Let's bring the pups back here. Echo. And then let's get Alaska. They all look like their father again. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Sorry, Lupa. Let's get Inuit. And put him down. There. Stay at the... Aw, Emmy and Echo are playing. Okay, since he's there, I gotta get food for the pups. Which one's the farthest? Oh, this is the farthest one right over here. That's really out of our way. So, we're going to eat from this one. Oh, cattle ranch. I don't know. I don't think I want to do with Lupa. I don't know, Lupa. Cause I've never been to the cattle ranch. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do it though. Oh, coyote. Let me kill this coyote before. There we go. Because I don't want Lupa to get killed. Get food for pups. Because she's not kind of the adventurous one, so I don't think she'll do that. She's going to be cautious now not to leave her pups far behind because of what happened with her first litter and Kaya. I mean Kai. It's not Kaya. Excuse me, Kai. So, she's going to go back. I know. I don't have to go hunting. I actually already hunted. I know they're hungry. I just have to run all the way back over there. Lupa does. And we got to do our pack affinity. Sorry. Okay, Leto's going back to get food. I'm here with the pups. He fed Echo. I'm gonna howl. Oh, wrong button. I forgot how many points you need to get a white puppy. Come here, Inuit. We're gonna put you over here next to the den. Gonna howl because I didn't wait for it to end. There we go. Echo, come here. You gotta stay at the den. Alaska's just laying down, but I'm gonna bring her over to the den a bit. We're gonna... What the heck? It glitched. It glitched and Echo just went flying. Like he was running. Okay then. And Amy's just running into Lupa. Like, what the heck? Lito is such a good dad. But I don't want him going to the nearer carcasses, but okay. Oh well. Echo. It looks like Echo and Emmy are the explorers. Like the Wonder Offers. That and they played with each other a little while ago. Emmy. I'm gonna bring her back over here. There we go. Echo. Come back here. You stay at the den. Okay, mission complete. Gotta keep watch now. Oh, Emmy and Inuit are playing now. That is so cute. I want to play Bob with them. Watch this. They weren't even paying attention. Oh, a coyote. Oh, jeez. Okay. Where is it? There it is. It's up on this hill. There we go. Gonna kill this stupid coyote. Inuit. I mean, Leto. Not Inuit. Sorry, but oh, let's mark our territory. Because you remember the last litter, we had a wolf, a stranger wolf come over. And since we're close to the enemy wolf pack territory, it's gonna be hell. But that happens. It just happens. It really happens. Gonna howl. Wrong button again. Jeez. Little's such a good dad that sometimes I just don't have to feed him because he keeps on feeding them. Oh man, I moved before he finished. Gosh, let's do it again. I still haven't seen the researchers playing yet. I wonder where it is. Even though Lupa doesn't like to play at all. So this is all mine. No one else's. I don't know if I want to go to the cattle ranch. Oh, speaking of that, there's a bear right here when I was starting to run back to the den. There it is. Leto, don't walk right into it. You dumb fudge. You don't get hit. Like, yeah, you better get away. It was auto-saving from my puppies. Lupa got hit. There we go. Now she's gonna go back. Let me howl. Gonna howl. Are you serious? Is that a fox? Oh wait, is that a fox actually? Yeah, that's a fox. Never mind. It's not gonna hurt the puppies. Ah, I moved before it can. Ugh, hate when that happens. Let me just feed them all. As Leto tries to. Don't feed Alaska. I just fed her. Jeez. Alaska, come here. And then I gotta get pup food. Get pup food. Let me go to the carcass that's over here. The next letter's gonna be arduous, which I never played on that before. So go over here. Oh, Leto. Okay then. Well, our pups are safe in the den, so I'm debating on going to the cattle ranch or not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all, guys. I'm gonna do it. But first I do want to save the game here. So you're gonna see me save the game. Sorry guys. Cause this is the only time I'm going to the cattle ranch. If I die, then she gets the excuse to respawn. And our pups will be safe, hopefully. I'm not sure. Hopefully they will. They're pretty red fell, and they don't get as much hungry as on challenging Audrey's or Bring It On, so. Oh, what? And a bear just pops up. Let's get it. Chase the bear away. Oh, what? I meant to eat, not. I meant to eat. Come on, eat. There we go. Move, Leto. Is Leto going to come? The pastures of a cattle ranch lie just outside your home range. If elk are hard to find, you may be tempted to visit a ranch to find a calf to eat. But this easy meal is not without you danger. Visit the ranch. God, I'm so nervous. Y'all, what the heck? Oh, now we're so close. Oh, how do I get through? Extra food, what does that mean? Okay then. Okay. Oh, jump! Okay. Cow. It's so weird seeing Lupa like this. The heck? Jump! I'm so scared. Leto's not here. I did it. Let's go. Let's go. Stop. Don't eat anymore. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no, don't jump in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where's the thing? Oh, there it is. Oh my god, we're running around. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Run, Lupa. Run. Run, Lupa. Run. Okay. Jesus Christ. Return to Slog Creek. Come on. Once it loads. There we go. Oh my gosh. Try it. Okay, let's go. Keep watch. I know. Thank God. Okay, now I gotta find a way back. There we go. Let's go to our pups. I got that achievement. Now let's go. And our pack affinity needs to go up. Wait, I think I can do it from here. So let's howl. Yep, it did. Okay. And suddenly it did territory marking. Okay, let's go to our pups. Let's go to our pups. That was so... My heart was racing. Gosh, dang. Let's go to our pups. Run! Oh, coyote. Let me first get this coyote. Oh, wait, I gotta recover the stamina a bit. There we go. Let's get this coyote. Get away from my den, you heifer. Oh, now she's running out of stamina. Oh, now it's gonna rain. Oh, God. Please, no lightning. Please, no lightning. Sorry about all that noise. Oh, there was lightning and that other tree is on fire. Oh crap, I moved. Oh, and there's a cougar raiding. Let me get this howl right in first. And I'm not close enough to the den for it to activate, so there we go. Let's run. Oh my gosh. Lupa's not that fast. So she's gonna have to, there's lightning. My gosh, these cougars are fast. Oh, and he turned around. Oh, Leto. Hello then. Not Leto. Lupa's not that fast at all. She can't catch it. Yeah, see, she can't catch it. They put the cougars too fast in this game. And it's lightning. Yeah, she can't get it. She's not fast enough. Sorry, I just peed there. Yeah, she's definitely not fast enough to chase him off. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's get to the puppies and howl. Okay. There we go. So I don't know. It probably will come back. But anyway, that's going to do it for today. For this episode. Sorry. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. See you next time. Bye-bye.